Good evening, friends. Today we are going to be making a hot dog sandwich. Basically, it is supposed to be made like a Subway sandwich, but because we are not getting everything very easily available during the lockdown, so we are making it from a hot dog. So we'll be the ingredients which will be required. I will just guide you over that. So here we are taking bell peppers. We are taking capsicum, which is long slit. Then we are taking onions, again long slit, and here we are taking this cabbage because during the lockdown we are not being able to get any lettuce or iceberg, so that is why as a substitute we are using cabbage. This is tomato ketchup, this is mustard, these are olives, then here this pepper and black pepper and salt, and we are using Fun Food veg mayonnaise. Here the dressing that we are using on top of the salad which will be coming is Thousand Island dressing of Remia or any other company you can use. And this is your Fun Food pasta pizza sauce. We are supposed to use a sandwich base, but since right now I'm not being able to get, so we are using pasta pizza sauce. These are the chicken nuggets. You can use any other company chicken nuggets as well. Any other kebabs or something you can add on. This is the multi-grain whole wheat hot dogs that we are available in the market. So I have got that during this period. You can use any other of your choice. Here we are going to be cutting it from the center, taking a big knife so that it doesn't break, and we will leave it halfway, or you can cut it full. That is not a problem. So this we have already done, and we will cut the others the same way. We are going to be opening the sandwiches, and here we are using some ketchup. You can use as per your choice on the base. Little generously, and then the pasta pizza sauce. You can even make a homemade pasta pizza sauce using simple ingredients like tomato and onions in a pan, and just using oregano and some herbs in it. So that also will come out very nice. You can use this, but since I had less time, I was just quickly wanting to do this video. So here this is ready. Now for the base, again we will be using some mustard on the top layer, and now we will put some cabbage right now, and then later on we can use some iceberg or lettuce, then your bell peppers, your capsicum, then we will be using some salt on it, very little, and very little black pepper. The chicken nuggets that we had used we had made them in the air fryer, so we will get them out from the fryer and we will put those as well. So we are using some seeks also we can use, as well as chicken nuggets, or you can use some kebabs or whatever is available. So we put them here like this, and now I will be adding some Thousand Island, and some mayo. Now you can see that it's almost done, so we will be putting it in the oven for little baking for just 10 minutes and for at 180 degree centigrade. Your club sandwich is ready, and you can serve it either with potato wedges or french fries. Like, because of the lockdown, I did not have anything, so I have not garnished it with any side dish, but you can always do that. Thank you.